checking out this new spot in Mexico. It's the East Cape called, but man, I already got stuck here on the beach. It was a little bit of a shit show. Rocks and not very good road. The waves are already looking crazy. And it's so sick. I love it. It's so much fun to watch them just fly by the drone and like ride the sickest wave. I get so excited. And I'm at 9 Palms today. It's a little bit more out of the town, about 40-minute drive, but it's worth it. It's fun, beautiful day, beautiful morning. The airport. I'm picking up Kaileen. This is very exciting, my friends. I got her a little coconut, little present, little welcome to Mexico. Hola, chica! I brought you a little coconut treat, you know. Hi. Hello.